Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to play a video inside OBS Studio. If you're new to OBS, or maybe you've used it a bit but haven't yet learned how to add and control video playback, this tutorial will make it simple and clear. By the end, you'll be confidently adding videos to your streams or recordings, and you'll know how to display and hide them whenever you want. Let's jump right in. Start by opening OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't installed it, go ahead and download it from the official OBS website. It's free and works on both Windows and Mac. So once OBS is fired up, you'll see the main window with different sections like Scenes, Sources, Audio Mixer, and maybe it looks a little intimidating if it's your first time. That's totally normal. Today, we're focusing on the Sources box, which is right at the bottom of the screen. To add your video file, look underneath Sources and click that small plus icon. Think of this as adding a new layer to your scene, almost like stacking transparent sheets on top of each other in Photoshop. Each source is something viewers can see or hear. Clicking the plus gives you a list of source types. From here, select Media Source. Media Source is used for videos, audio files, or even animated GIFs. A little window pops up asking you to name this source. It's perfectly fine to name it something straightforward, like intro video or funny clip, especially if you're planning to reuse this setup in the future. Keeping things labeled will save you a lot of confusion. Type in the name and click OK. Now OBS will ask you to locate your video file on your computer. Here's where you browse for the video you want. Maybe it's your channel's branded intro, or a quick highlight reel you want your audience to see. Select the file, and if you want your video to loop or play only once, there are options for that right here. If you're not sure, just leave those settings as they are for now. Once you've chosen your file, click OK. Your video is now loaded as a source in your current scene. But you might notice you're not seeing it just yet. That's because the source is hidden by default. To show your video, just click the little eye icon next to your new media source. OBS treats this eye icon as a visibility toggle. Think of it like drawing the curtains open when you want to show something, and closing them again when you're done. When you click the eye, the video instantly appears in your preview window. You'll see it playing. If it's a longer video, give it a moment to load. OBS handles most video formats smoothly, but if your video doesn't show up, double-check the file type. Let it play for as long as you want. Then, when you're ready to hide the video, maybe during a break or when the clip has finished, just click the eye icon again, and OBS will hide it from your stream or recording. It's that easy. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to add, play, and control a video in OBS Studio. This feature is super useful for everything from intros and outros to reaction videos and presentations. If anything didn't work quite right, don't worry. Sometimes getting familiar with new software that just takes a bit of practice. Feel free to replay this tutorial and pause as needed. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. And let me know down below if you have any questions. I always do my best to answer every comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow OBS tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.